Hi, Madeline. Are you sitting in your chair? Yeah, what are you doing? Is that your chair? Woo woo! Woohoo! Are you gonna make it go backwards? Oh, it's not quite as big as your other one. And you're getting a little big, aren't ya? What are you doing? There she goes. She's taking her chair in her room. In Grandma's closet. In the toy closet. So, ooh, what's that?
Well, maybe it's in the dressing.
170.
There's
Brian
Brian
in the dressing.
and Grandma Peggy.
Okay, go ahead.
They're checking the turkey.
Down. Right?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh. Ah! There they go.
I'm in my dirty shirt.
I'm in my clean shirt.
Ah!
Get
He's got smell good spray on. Hi, Maddie.
me. Just for the elbow.
Hi. Woo woo.
All right.
Woo.
Nice chair. I like it.
Yeah.
All right,
Oh, you're
let's
gonna
just carry
walk.
it. Come on.
Yep.
All right.
There you go. And you going in the kitchen? Oh.
All right.
Yeah.
I want to get a little closer.
Okay.
All right.
See you later.
Forget it. All right. You want your chair?